2021 saw a lot of smartphone manufacturers jumping into the mid to high flagship territory, at least for China marketing. The main reason, of course, is the Huawei banning. Every manufacturer wants to take the share that Huawei leaves behind. Xiaomi has been pretty insane the past 2 or 3 months by releasing numerous Mi 11 series, pocket phones, and even a foldable phone. And now we have OPPO. Actually, I've had the OPPO Reno 6 Pro for over a month, and I was even invited to the OPPO Reno 6 launch event. It was a big event on the beach, and it was extraordinary. I met numerous interesting people there. I just love how organized things are here. With that being said, I don't want to do a sloppy and fast phone hands-on video like I normally do with other phones, because with a lot of people watching, thanks to you guys, I just don't feel very good. So here's my in-depth review of the Reno 6 Pro after a month. Hope you like it, and please subscribe if you haven't. Let's get started. The packaging is, as always, minimalistic and elegant. Open the box, the first thing we see is a small rectangle box. There's a slogan on it. It reads, "You are shining in my eyes." Oh, that's sweet. I thought I'm only shining when I got my hair shaved. Anyway, inside the small box, it has some paperwork like warranty card, manual tracer, then the phone. The one I got is the Summer Sea blue color one. Not sure what's the official English name for it, I just translated from its official Chinese name. And to be honest, I like it. Based on ambient lighting, it gradients between white and blue with specks of glitter throughout. It looks fairly classy and a little ostentatious. It's lightweight and has a really good finish to it. We'll get to the design more in a second. Moving on is a pen and a transparent case. Lastly, the Type-C cable and a 65-watt fast charger. Basically, that's what we all got in the box. The OPPO Reno 6 Pro is the lightest smartphone in its segment, given that its competition, the Mi 11 series, Galaxy S21 or the OnePlus 9, are quite heavy. The Reno 6 Pro feels like heaven after using those. This, along with its slim 7.6mm waistline and 177g weight, gives it an excellent hand feel, which is unheard of in this 5G era. The Summer Sea unit I received for review looks quite unique with its shimmer blue glass back. According to OPPO, the Reno 6 Pro is inspired by the sparkling sea in summer. In order to create a more desired shining wave visual effect, they upgraded the latest Crystal Diamond 3.0 technology, which gives a 30% increase in the fineness of the phone and also better wear resistance capability. I must say the shining wave finish felt quite sturdy and didn't scratch nor got any fingerprints whatsoever. The slim and light design is also possible because of the plastic frame. It helps bring down the weight of the device and also lets OPPO's designers experiment with the top end of the frame by including a cool looking glass insert. It's all in the details, and you can tell that OPPO took its time to deliver something special to this segment. Moving to the display, we get a 6.5-inch OLED curved display with a 20:9 aspect ratio, 800 nits of peak brightness, HDR10+ certification, and more. Gamers will appreciate the jump to 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch response rate. There is nothing to complain about here either. The display is pretty sharp and vivid, with great viewing angles and ample brightness for outdoor visibility. The interface has been well optimized to make use of the higher refresh rate to seem smoother. Towards the bottom, there is an optical in-display fingerprint scanner that works perfectly well. For this, there's a 2D face unlocking, which was instantaneous too. The downsides of going slim and light are inevitable. There's no 3.5mm headphone jack, and the phone also skips on a stereo dual speaker setup. The single speaker is quite loud, and if you're wondering how does it sound, here it is. Let me know if you like it. Another downside of going slim and light is heat. The natural enemy of any flagship smartphone is the sole reason why most manufacturers are willing to sacrifice design over performance in this price bracket. Still, things are not as bad as I expected them to be. The OPPO Reno 6 Pro is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor. The version I got has 12 gigs of RAM. What's more is that it comes with RAM expansion. When enough storage space is available, you can use part of it to expand your RAM. How good is that? In day-to-day use, performance is top-notch and I didn't face a single hiccup or stutter. You might guess that there was a Snapdragon 870 inside if OPPO didn't tell you otherwise. If you are curious to know the benchmarks, here it is. Definitely one of the best in this price range. Well, I'm not a gamer and I'm really not good at gaming, so I unloaded this immediately to my colleagues to test. When I got the unit, we tried several games there. The Reno 6 Pro let us run the game smoothly at the default high graphics and high frame rate. The device warmed up a bit, but didn't interfere with the game performance. Thanks to its full-size liquid cooling VC, it has improved a lot compared to its predecessor, the Reno 5 series. The OPPO Reno 6 Pro on the rear packs a 64 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide snapper, and two 2 megapixel modules for micro shots and depth data. The biggest highlight for the camera, in my opinion, is the filters, which OPPO teamed up with makeup guru Bobby Brown to offer specialized filters that apply natural-looking makeup on the spot. Unlike those so-called AI beauty that we normally see, especially on Xiaomi phones, they almost make you feel like a ghost. The OPPO Reno 6 Pro looks so natural. For every girl or even boy I handed this Reno 6 to, they just like it. You can check out some of the photos we've taken. For video, one feature I really like is the light spot background effect. It makes your videos way more vivid than ever before. I like it. After my 1 month with the Reno 6 Pro, I think the OPPO Reno 6 Pro has done an exceptionally good job. It's managed to carve out its own niche in the middle to high-end flagship segment. The OPPO Reno 6 Pro has no major cons that make it a difficult phone to recommend. If you are tired of bulky phones and just want a good-looking phone, I've got to say the Reno 6 Pro is amongst the best looking smartphones of the season. Just check out the shimmery effect. It looks fairly classy, sleek and premium, while at the same time doesn't fall behind on performance and has a decent camera. The Reno 6 Pro is for you.
这对我来说很困难的一件事儿，就是因为我觉得我不太懂现在的年轻人，我们成长的背景是不一样的，我们从小受的教育，然后我们现在面临的现实都不一样，然后所以我觉得我没有权利也没有资格，就是冒充长者，对。